Welcome back to our channel Liability 2 Asset, where we empower you with the knowledge and tools to boost your financial health. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting topic of financial freedom. Imagine a life where you have complete control over your finances, where money is no longer a source of stress, but a tool that allows you to live life on your terms. In this video, we'll explore what financial freedom means, how you can achieve it, and the steps you can take to secure your financial future. So, let's get started. Financial freedom is a concept that many people aspire to achieve. It's the ability to have enough money and resources to live the life you desire without being tied down by financial constraints. Whether it's traveling the world, starting your own business, or retiring early, financial freedom gives you the flexibility and peace of mind to pursue your dreams. Defining financial freedom. To truly understand financial freedom, we need to define it. Financial freedom is not just about having a high income or being debt-free. It's about having enough passive income to cover your living expenses and maintain your desired lifestyle without the need for traditional employment. It's about having the freedom to choose how you spend your time and money without worrying about paycheck-to-paycheck living. Building a strong financial foundation. The first step towards financial freedom is to build a strong financial foundation. This means managing your money wisely, creating a budget, and saving consistently. Start by tracking your expenses and identifying areas where you can cut back and save. Set financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Consider building an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and protect yourself from financial setbacks. Generating passive income. Passive income is the key to financial freedom. It's the money you earn without actively trading your time for it. There are various ways to generate passive income, such as investing in stocks, real estate, or starting an online business. Explore different investment opportunities and find the ones that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort, but it's a crucial step towards achieving financial freedom. Managing debt and expenses. To achieve financial freedom, it's important to manage your debt and expenses effectively. Start by paying off high-interest debts, such as credit card balances or personal loans. Avoid unnecessary expenses and prioritize saving and investing. Consider refinancing your loans to lower interest rates and consolidate your debt. By managing your debt and expenses wisely, you'll free up more money to invest and grow your wealth. Continual learning and growth. Achieving financial freedom is not a one-time event, it's a lifelong journey. It's crucial to continually educate yourself about personal finance, investment strategies, and wealth-building techniques. Stay updated on market trends, attend financial seminars, and read books by successful investors. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who are also on the path to financial freedom. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. In conclusion, financial freedom is within your reach. By defining what it means to you, building a strong financial foundation, generating passive income, managing debt and expenses, and continually learning and growing, you can pave the way towards achieving financial freedom. Remember, it takes time, discipline, and perseverance, but the rewards are worth it. Take control of your financial future today and start working towards the life of freedom and abundance you deserve. That's all for today's video. If you found this information valuable, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Liability 2 Asset channel for more insightful content and to make YouTube happy. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Peace!